We're spinning around, then we're heading out that way. And then the biggest ship of the world is coming up.
Oh yeah, it costs us like 2,000 each. $15,000. Yeah, just like the old days. Because everybody wants to be on a new ship.
Yeah.
And then
It is a funny looking front.
see the big bubble?
Looks like
That's the atrium.
looks like one of those whales with a big head. Hopefully we turn around where I can show you the whole thing.
Star of the Sea.
Yeah, Star of the Sea.
That's what the people were going on the other day. We rode with them.
Yeah. I'm gonna step outside for a minute if I
Yes,
can
do it.
show you. Let's see if I can squeeze in here in front of everybody. Let's see, let's see. You mind if I just squeeze in there for a second?
No, go
I just
ahead.
want a video real quick. Okay. Nope, you're fine. Nope, there's the biggest ship right now. Star of the Sea. We're still turning.